I get myself a cup of coffee because I want to be more vigilant while I'm taking a video. Sweet. Happy New Year! Speaking of Happy New Year, today we are gonna be talking about New Year resolutions and mediocrity. If you are new to my channel, you could be someone who is watching this video not in January 1st, 2022. This channel is basically all about talking about something that could be useful for everyone, either you and me. I'm one of those guys who want to share what he learned with other people in his lifetime. So if you like what you see, subscribe. Anyway, let's move on to topic. Around this season, a lot of people make their own New Year resolutions in order to improve themselves. With that said, after a while, they start gravitating towards jovial moment and find themselves walking on the hedonic treadmill. Then, why do we don't wanna do? And why don't we do we wanna do? It's pretty simple. Because we humans have a small amount of energy, unlimited energy each day. So if we don't use this energy in the early morning or in the afternoon, we can't fully focus on the thing that we want to do. If so, what are the ramifications of doing nothing that we have set for? Chances are we tend to think negatively about everything around us. That's number one. And number two is we fall into the abyss where we can't control something that we want to do because we are basically in turmoil where we can't use our brain energy anymore. That's number two. Last but not least, you overthink about your mistakes in the past and think about your future over and over again, which are detrimental to your mental health. Scientifically speaking, they raise your blood pressure up and cause crippling anxiety. So why would they have to go through it? It's not worth it. If so, how can you even get out of a rut? It's pretty simple. Just make every and each one of habit extremely easy. It's as easy as that. You don't really need to think about what you have to do in each morning. All you need to do is just make everything falls into place. So just make your own rules that you can't miss every single day. That's how our brain can work perfectly each day. You might be thinking that it's isn't it easy? Isn't it as easy as what you just said? Yeah, it's pretty simple and easy. Let's face it, how many people are there out there actually doing what they said? It's not as many as you might think it is, it's just small minority. So basically what I just said is keep things organized and stick to it. It's just as simple as that. and let me know if you accomplish what you wanted to do this year or anytime you want, because I wanna get some feedback on that and then revise my sentences and advice along the way. That's how we can improve our lives, and that's actually good for everyone around the world, if you will. If you liked what you just saw, smash the like button and subscribe if you haven't done so. And share your thoughts with me. And share your thoughts with everyone around you, everyone around the world. Because we are living in this globe in order to live life more happily, and happiness comes from positive thinking and optimism. That's the reason why my channel name is Sando, Save and Optimism, which sounds kind of cringe-worthy. I know that, but never mind. I'm gonna keep my channel name like that. If you have any good ideas, share with me. I can get your idea along the way. That would be really helpful for me and other people as well. Thank you for watching. I will catch up you in the later video. Bye.